Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save TikTok video to gallery. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application and we can choose a video from TikTok we want to save to our gallery. And then once you have found the video you want to save, you can click on this icon on the video, and then you're going to click on save video, and the video will be saved to your gallery. Okay, and just remember guys that not all the video on TikTok can be saved to gallery. You can only save the video if the owner of the video allow you to save it. If they do not allow you to save it, they will apply restriction on TikTok, and then you won't be able to save the video, and the save video menu won't appear on the TikTok video. And I'm going to check the video. We have just saved. Okay, this one. This is the video I have saved from TikTok. Alright guys, and that's all the way to save TikTok video to gallery. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.